Congratulations on picking the perfect vehicle for your needs. Call us to find out about our in-house finance program. Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Kia Optima LX. This 4-door sedan has a 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia has less than 203,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, and window defogger.